Welcome back. Today's story is Little Blue Truck's Valentine, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Little Blue Truck was on his way, delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy, for truth to tell, he hoped he'd get some cards as well. Blue drove into his front yard with a polka dot egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said, and Hen said, "What a perfect Valentine's, Little Blue Truck." Pig's pink card said, "Please be mine." Said Blue, "Happy Valentine." Said Pig, "A pretty pink, just right for cards and pigs, I think." In his big red barn was Big Brown Horse, and Blue brought a big red cart, of course. Said Horse, "What's this I see? A cart almost as big as me?" His cart for Cow had a big bouquet. Said Blue, "Happy Valentine's Day." Said Cow, "What a treat, a cart that's good enough to eat." Duck was out for a nice cool swim, and Blue had a special cart for him. A heart-shaped sail on a little red boat. Said Duck, "My cart can float." Two last cards for Goat and Sheep with candy hearts. Said Sheep, "Sweet cart, Blue." Said Goat, "Mine is too." Blue headed home, and all the way he tried to be glad it was Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day didn't seem much fun when he didn't get cards from anyone. His own front door was open wide. Home at last, Blue drove inside. He couldn't believe his headlight eyes. Everyone yelled, "Together now," croaked Toad. "Let's hear it. It, 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 it. Hip hooray for a friend that's true. You're our Valentine, Little Blue." If you enjoyed today's story, please hit the like button. Thank you for clicking Outside's Reading Time. Please like and subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell to turn on your notifications. That lets you know every time I upload. Thank you.